Hi everyone, Dr. Brandon Checkout here with Health and Rehab Chiropractic. If you're dealing with sciatica, you know how challenging it can be to get a good night's sleep, or even just get out of bed comfortably. Today I'll share some practical tips to help you sleep better and safely get out of bed when sciatica is acting up. Let's dive in. When it comes to sleeping with sciatica, positioning is everything. The key is to keep your spine in a neutral and supported position. Here are 2 sleeping positions that can help reduce pressure on your sciatic nerve. If you sleep on your back, go ahead and place a pillow under your knees. This reduces the curve in the lower back and takes pressure off the sciatic nerve. If you prefer sleeping on your side, put a pillow between your legs just above the knees. This is going to help align the hips and prevent the lower back from twisting. With the pillow, you want to make sure it's not too high or too low for it to be comfortable. Sleeping on your back and sleeping on your side are the best 2 positions to sleep with sciatica. You want to try to avoid sleeping on your stomach. This can cause strain to the back and aggravate your sciatica. Now let's talk about how to get out of bed without aggravating your sciatica. Moving slowly and with tension is key. Start by rolling onto your side. Slowly bring your knees towards your chest, letting your legs gently swing over the side of the bed, and use your arms to push your torso up into a seated position. Take a moment to sit and let your body adjust before standing up. This can help prevent any sudden pain. Following these tips, you can protect your back and reduce the discomfort of sciatica while sleeping or getting out of bed. Remember, small adjustments like these can make a big difference in your daily comfort. Thanks for watching and take care of yourself. See you in the next video.